Seminole Sound, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, it wasn't in your last video vlog, and it made me really sad.
Do something.
I just wanted to be in it. Like, I just like, you know, like a halo or something.
Okay. What's Seminole Sound?
It's no big deal. It's like, it's kind of just like our warm up. No, I'm just kidding. It's kind of ridiculously important. It's the first time that people see us, and last year we won. So there's a lot of pressure. I'm very inspiring, aren't I? It'll be fun. It'll be awesome. Hey,
Today's Seminole Sound! Woo!
I didn't even think of him.
So I feel like Tarpon has like this curse where it's really, really, really windy. Like no band has any wind, and then when we come on, the wind is like hurricane strength. I don't know what to say, but really. So last one, seniors, last one. Whoop, 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 whoop. Okay, bye.
Hey, listen, what I need you to do is we're going to take a 5-minute break right now. I want you to go under the bleachers and stay dry under the bleachers. Good?
Guys, get your
This rain's gonna
costumes.
be past us in about 2 minutes.
It's currently raining, but it should pass over in a couple minutes. My last Seminole Sound. I don't know how I feel about that. I feel pretty old. I'm gonna be 18 in a month. Like the morning we come back from Atlanta is when I turn 18, so it's kind of weird. I'm like a legal adult now. It's her first Seminole Sound. How do you feel about it?
I'm so excited.
Alright, that's awesome.
It's raining, and it's all good, but my instrument's out, so we're not good.
Oh my god, hey, what up? I'm half sunburnt, half my face turns red after everything I do.
No, who cares about what she said? They Seminole Sound. No,
Bye, Mikey.
can you stop?
Can you stop?
just
I was
talk
having
to
like my Showtime notice how she
Alright,
called my name
I
and
want to
not
say
Mikey.
something. I want to say something real quick. Today's Seminole Sound, and we're gonna prove Drew and we're gonna prove Zach wrong that we're the champions now, not them. This is for all the haters out there.
He's not in my section. I'll take interviews. All right, Andrew. How do you feel about this being your last Seminole Sound?
Well, I'm excited, but I don't like interviews.
Wow, that was rude. Andrew's really rude, so we're never gonna interview him again. He's never gonna make sure you don't put him in anymore. So how do you feel about today being Seminole Sound? Are you excited? Are you
Excited from all the above. Yes. Any other adjectives in there? Yes.
All right.
How do you think the band's gonna do?
Huh? If they do what they just did today, really well. If they do what they did last night, not so good.
This is my last Seminole Sounds. We've been here 4 years
I'm
together.
super excited.
You excited? It's like the senior year here. We're like doing a senior year together.
That's true.
I know.
Wow.
How was your performance?
That was good. How was yours?
Hi, Katie.
Hey, Dell.
I only came up with 26.
Mikey, that's Mikey. Seminole Sound marching band competition, right? So bands from like all over the state. Sometimes it's usually just like the county or the area, but for Seminole Sound it's like all around the state. And then there was one band from Georgia this year actually. Shout out to Walton High School. Woo. And there's judges on the field and in the box that are evaluating them. And at the end there's an award ceremony where they announce placements and they announce like what scores they got out of 100. Yeah.
What did you think of your first Seminole Sound, Gina?
It was great. I had a good time. All the bands were there. They were very nice to us. We were nice to them. It was just a really nice experience. Yeah.
So, how was your last Seminole Sound, Allison?
It's a little bittersweet. Because it's sad that it's the last one, but it's also kind of awesome because I'm a little tired. But I'm really glad that we overcame the whole charade that went on.
Oh yeah, tell me about that.
So something happened in Back Ensemble. Doesn't matter. And we pulled through. We did the whole show, and we did 1 and 2 better than we've ever done it before. So that's a huge accomplishment. I think it just shows how good our band is to adjust to adversity like that.
It's late.
Good morning.
Good morning, loading crew.
Good morning. I'm tired.
What time is it, Jonathan?
12:50 something. We just got Seminole Sound from Harlow. 12:58 to be exact.
What time is it?
So. No problem. All right. No handles. No problem. Can I get it? Can I get a 1-1? Can I get a 1-1?
Yay.